Today, for the 365 drink project, we have the Appletini. For this, you will need vodka, apple cider, lemon juice, maple syrup, and a Granny Smith apple. Cut the Granny Smith apple in half. Cut out 4 slices. Fan out. Attach together with a barpick. Then, put half an ounce of lemon juice in your shaker. Followed by half an ounce of maple syrup. Then, 1.5 ounces of apple cider. Finally, 1.5 ounces of vodka. Add in your ice. Give it a good shake. Strain into a chilled coupe glass. Garnish with your apple fan. And there you have the Appletini.